Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Today we are making dried bofrot or puff or Togbee as it is locally called in Ghana. Ingredients for the dried bofrot are half cup of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of powdered salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1.5 tablespoon of strawberry flavoring essence, 3 cups of vegetable oil, half cup of white sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk powder of your choice, grated nutmeg, 3 cups of flour, and about 1.5 cup of water. Let's get started. Pour the salt into a small bowl and add some water to it to dissolve the salt. In another bowl, add in the flour, the yeast, the sugar and the powdered milk, and then mix all the dry ingredients together with your hands. Now add in the butter and mix it with the dry ingredients. Add in the nutmeg and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Now pour in 1.5 tablespoons of the strawberry essence and continue the mixing. Let's roll the first dough. Add in the salt water mix and mix it with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl. As you mix the water and the rest of the dry ingredients together, try folding it into a ball. And this is the first roll of dough. Let's roll the second dough. In the same mixing bowl, add in the rest of the salt water mix and then mix the liquid with the rest of the ingredients. As you mix the water and the rest of the ingredients together, try folding it into a bowl. Now add the first dough to the second dough and combine the two together as one big roll of dough. Knead, toss and fold in the dough in the bowl. And this is the dough. Roll the dough on the surface of a chopping board. Use a knife to divide the dough into 2 equal halves and then cut each half into 2 vertical equal sizes and finally into 3 equal sizes each. 6 pieces of dough obtained from first demarcation as seen on the serving tray. Now cut the second half of the dough into 2 horizontal equal sizes and finally into 3 equal sizes each. Pick up one of the pieces of the dough and then with the aid of your fingers and your palm, flatten the dough on the surface of the chopping board. Then fold the edges of the dough towards the middle. Pinch that part upwards and then roll it on the surface of the board into a small ball. Pick up the second piece of the dough, put it on the surface and then use your palm and fingers to flatten it. Then fold in the edges towards the middle After that, pinch that part and then roll it into a ball. Use this same process to roll the rest of the dough into equal balls, like so. As the rolling is ongoing, the surface of the chopping board gets sticky, so you can sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface and then you continue the rolling. This is how the dough should be when you touch it or press it down gently. It should hold itself back right after you move your hand. With the aid of a knife, cut thin lines against each other on top of the balls that you've rolled. Now set it aside so that it rises a little bit. This could take about 3 to 6 hours depending on the weather at your location. Mine here has risen a little bit, so I'm giving it about 30 minutes to an hour more for better results when it's fried. Let's fry the dry bofrot. Pour about 3 cups of oil into a frying pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now gently add in the pieces of the dough one by one and allow it fry for about 15 minutes. This is our dry bofrot. Very crunchy and delicious. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I would like to use this opportunity to say welcome to you. And thank you to my subscribers for supporting me from the beginning till now. God bless you all. And make it a point to watch beloved Gators every Thursday and Sunday for new videos or recipes you can try with your family and friends. Till we meet again, dear viewers, stay safe and bye bye.